Make $100 per day with this simple pullback trading strategy. In this video, I will show you a pullback trading strategy that will make you $100 per day. This strategy is simple to use, and it actually works. This pullback strategy uses 3 different exponential moving averages. The simple moving average is taking the average price of a number of previous candles, depending on the time period you are analyzing. This can be 20, 50, or even 200 periods, meaning if you are using the 200 period moving average, the line will be at the average price of the previous 200 candles. In this strategy, we will be using the exponential moving average, which is like the simple moving average. However, it takes more weight to the more recent candles. So you will notice here, there's a slight difference between the two lines. Now, this pullback strategy uses 3 exponential moving averages, the 9, 13, and 21 period exponential moving average. However, we will not be using these indicators to look for a moving average crossover, as many other traders are doing. Instead, we are using these moving averages to look for pullback entries for a potential bounce off the moving average. Let me explain. Ever notice how candles break through the moving averages after a crossover and eventually bounce right back down? Or are you taking a trade as soon as the moving averages cross? Let me show you why this is a mistake. You see, moving averages are lagging indicators. They typically tend to move in the direction of where the price will go, but with a lag. When a smaller period moving average crosses up through a longer period moving average, this is usually seen as a bullish setup. However, it's not always the case that prices will move in the upwards direction. A lot of times the price will fake out and quickly reverse. To avoid this fake out, we will only take trades with added confirmation. The strategy that I will be showing you in this video adds added confirmation by waiting for a pullback to occur at the moving average for a retest, and then waiting for a breakout of the most recent resistance. As you see here, we have a nice pullback to the moving averages, but we do not just enter the trade here. Instead, we draw a resistance line at the previous swing high, and once the price breaks out, we take a long position. However, if price rejected the resistance line, then we do not enter and we avoided a potential false breakout of the pullback bounce off the moving average. Now let's cover the stop loss. There are 3 different ways to set the stop loss. The stop loss can be set just under the 3 moving averages, or it can be set at the previous swing low for a long position or previous swing high for a short position. Or it can be set at a specific ATR value, which is the average true range. I won't go over what the average true range indicator is in this video, but basically it's a measure of volatility, and it's often used for a stop loss. In this video, we will be using the ATR indicator and set the stop loss at 2 ATR values. Now I will show you the backtest results of this trading strategy. To backtest this strategy, we will use the Custom Trading Express Triple EMA strategy script. You can have access to it on our website, link in the description below. This script will automatically backtest all the trades for you, saving you time and money. The great thing about this strategy script is that you can adjust different inputs to see what is the best setting to achieve the highest win rate. In this script, you will be able to adjust the reward to risk ratio, initial capital size, and the amount you want to risk per trade. Furthermore, you can change the date range if you wanted to look at the trades that occurred during a specific time period. And you can also run the script so that it takes only long, only short, or both long and short positions. This script works across any asset in the crypto, stock, or forex market, and across any time frame. Furthermore, all the scripts on our website come with a custom display. The script will automatically display all the results in this dashboard, such as the number of trades found, the time it took to find those trades, the win rate of the strategy at that specific time frame, and with that particular asset, the highest winning streak, the highest losing streak. In addition, the script will scale everything to 100 trades for easy comparison. The best part is, the script will tell you exactly when to enter a trade and when to exit a trade by giving you the visual markers for pinpoint entries. Now let's begin back testing this strategy. First, we will be using the Triple EMA pullback strategy on the 5-minute time frame. We will be testing the meta stock with a reward to risk ratio of 1. The stop loss will be set at an ATR value of 2. And we will be risking 5% per trade, meaning we will be risking 5% of our initial capital size. And we will be starting with an initial capital size of $1,000. After choosing your inputs, click on OK, and the script will instantly backtest. After backtesting the meta stock on the 5-minute time frame, we were able to find 86 trades with a win rate of over 58%. This strategy had a highest winning streak of 7 and a highest losing streak of 3 trades. Therefore, if you are using this strategy and come across 3 losses in a row, just know that this is completely normal and that you can't expect to win every trade or every other trade consistently. Instead, you need to stick to the strategy for at least 100 trades and know that you will be profitable in the long run. The great thing about this backtesting indicator dashboard is that it will scale your backtesting to 100 trades, so that you can compare it to other assets and strategies. You can expect around 81% profit gain in just 3 months of trading this strategy. Now, this strategy works on the meta stock and on the 5-minute time frame. As you just saw in this video, I instantly backtested 83 trades within minutes, which would have taken me hours to do. There are many important skills needed to be a successful trader. If you want access to the Trading Express Mastery Bundle, it will help you speed up the process to becoming an advanced trader so that you can make money in the live markets. If you carefully follow the information in this video, you can make money in trading consistently. Thanks for sticking around till now. We will have much more valuable content that we will be providing soon. I would greatly appreciate it if you hit the like button, as these videos take a lot of time and effort. Leave a comment below if you want me to test this on another asset or time frame, or with other reward to risk ratios. Subscribe for more future content.